Hi, welcome to Art Byte Series 4. We are going to see about art brush handling, round brush versus flat brush. First, I'm going to use a round brush size 7 to give coloring of a particular place. I have used acrylic color. You can use any color for practice. So I just mixed a bit of water with it since it's too dry and just trying to fill in the white space within the rectangle. The half of the rectangle has been done. So should we use a round brush or a flat brush? I think round brush did not give a smooth finish or even finish. So now let's try a flat brush. I'm using a flat brush, Camlin. You can use any sizes. The size that I'm using is again 7 size in the flat brush from Camlin. So now wet your brushes. Try to take some paint from the palette and give a even smooth flow. So how I'm holding the brush, there should be a space between the brush tip and the where you hold, and hold it in a way which is parallel to the paper, parallel to the sheet that you're drawing, and then give a light brush of the flat brush and just move it along. So you can see the smooth movement from one side to the other side, and you have to do it the same way with the tilted angle from the other side as well. So this way you merge from one side to the other side, so the paint blends between these two sides, which will give you a overall even smooth finish of the painting. So now you can see very visible difference between the flat brush and the round brush. So whenever you are trying to do a wider area, a big area, do not use flat brush. Do not use a round brush. Use a flat brush to give it a smooth finish. So now it is very much visible. So try to use the angle, try to merge between the sides and get it. So you can see the round brush versus the flat brush. Hope you enjoyed. So always remember, artist assert is a paintbrush. Do maintain it. Write to us to learn more art, more workshops. Thank you for now. Bye.